Alright, back again. Here we go for another post. Just a couple quick ones we're going to go through tonight. Alright, considering that I am bearish right now on tomorrow, considering that the NASDAQ futures are currently down 45 points, here's some things I'm going to be looking at tomorrow. First one here is AFLAC, AFL symbol, ticker symbol. This here is a gap filled right in here. Stock that's been a little bit out of favor, if you notice here. Got some decreasing volume going down in here, decreasing. It's kind of flattened out here. It's come up, filled this gap in here. Pretty good pop through here. Thought it was going to make a run to the 200 moving average, pulled back down, closed down right around here, below the gap. Again, hit it. It's kind of level on volume 2 days here. I would not be surprised to see this turn around. It's near the top Bollinger Band. Wouldn't shock me at all to see this one move down. So that's one I'm looking at tomorrow. Another one. Ticker symbol ANR, Alpha Natural Resources. And you can see this one had an incredible run up here. Some consolidation and whoop, drop down, leaving a big fat gap here. This is just one of those feeling ones. Every time I see this kind of pattern where you have a pretty significant drop, and then it just likes to make room off the Bollinger Band. I wouldn't be surprised to see it continue up, maybe a day or two. You can see here the volume's kind of flat, kind of petering out. Not as high as a down volume this day. But I wouldn't be surprised to see this kind of, I don't know, maybe reach around the 75 mark, somewhere here, and a little below, and then maybe drop back down to the 200 moving average, which is the black line, or below it. It's not a real technical analysis one, but a little bit. Next one, CBL and Associates Properties. This one, we got a triangle here, kind of ascending triangle. It's hitting a ceiling here, boom, 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 boom. Pop, pop, pop. So pretty good strength here. And we've got a rising trend line. So it is going to break through. And it should bust through the top of this. Actually should be a bullish one. But sometimes on these formations, it goes down, especially with the declining volume down here. So I'm thinking it's going to hit the head and actually break beneath it before it busts back through there again. So I'd be watching that one. Next one. This is one I've been watching for a while. It's a split play coming up, I think, the 22nd split. You see here, take these lines off here. This thing has been on a rocket ship since June of '07. And it's ILMN is the ticker symbol, Lumina Inc. It's on NASDAQ. It has been just beautiful. I mean, you could have made a lot of money up here. We're kind of breaking down up here. You can see that we kind of almost had a double top type thing here. And I actually think, if we get in a little bit closer here, it's almost like a double head and shoulder. So like two heads and a shoulder here, right shoulder, or left shoulder, and then a right shoulder here. Not a great one, but if I put the line on there, you can see it here. I broke down beneath that. We're sitting on the trend line here. Sitting on a trend line, the uptrend. Right here has been hit several times, gotten close to here. Could have a bounce. Volume's decreasing quite a bit. But the other thing I'm looking at, this is actually a play I'm going to play for moving up, one of my few up plays. Because it's sitting right on this fib line right here, and right in there. And I drew this. There's another one here, the 61. This is a resistance I drew before I put the fibs in, and it's right on top of it. So this is a pretty true tool. I moved around in here, so I'm actually going to play this one up. If it breaks through here, this is going to be my stop is right in here. And then the last one tonight is TWI. And this is probably, oops, wrong chart. That was one from last week, I believe. Let's load this up. This is probably my favorite play. These are my favorite. This is a nice uptrend. You can see it had a lot of action, nice run up. Broke through down here, came back up. The stock does not know what to do with itself. And then just a huge tank on huge volume. I didn't research to see why. I'm going to guess earnings or something. But these are probably my favorite plays. It breaks beneath the 200, starts hitting it, comes back and goes at it again real strong. Hits that 200 moving average. Look at that volume. Just beautiful. This is the one I would be watching to play for a put tomorrow. Alright, and that's all I've got. It's about 9 o'clock Alaska time. Hopefully I get this posted tonight. Thank you very much. Oh, happy trading. Oh, why didn't it stop?